Are you ready to unlock a new stream of passive income while tapping into your creative side? Introducing the Flower Treasures PLR Coloring Pack, the ultimate solution for self-publishers, PLR buyers, and entrepreneurs. With over 700 stunning coloring pages across 14 unique flower themes, this pack is perfect for anyone looking to create, customize, and sell high-quality digital products. Whether you're a seasoned Amazon KDP publisher, an Etsy seller, or just starting your journey in the low-content book niche, this bundle offers endless opportunities to grow your business. Here's what makes the Flower Treasures PLR Coloring Pack a game-changer. 700-plus coloring pages. Beautifully designed for adults and teens, these pages are perfect for stress relief, relaxation, and creativity. Full PLR rights. Rebrand, resell, or customize without restrictions. Keep 100% of the profits. 500-plus ready-to-use book covers. Professionally designed covers to make your books stand out on platforms like Amazon KDP and Etsy. Delivered in 3 formats. JPG, PNG, and PDF files ensure compatibility for both print and digital use. Huge bonuses. Additional coloring pages featuring magical fairies, beautiful queens, and more. Now imagine the possibilities. With this pack, you can create and sell your own unique coloring books, expand your product catalog, or even launch a brand new digital product line, all without the hassle of designing from scratch. And the best part? It's currently available for an incredible 90% off at just $14.95. That's right, professional, high-quality designs at a fraction of the cost. Stop wasting time and money on unreliable designers or low-quality AI tools. With the Flower Treasures PLR Coloring Pack, you get everything you need to succeed in the competitive world of self-publishing. Don't miss this opportunity. Grab your pack today and start turning your creativity into profits.